Hi friends, in this video we'll go to discuss about continuous time systems and discrete time systems. Okay, in this video we'll go to discuss about continuous time systems and discrete time systems. We know system is a collection of entities or collection of parts which can takes input and produce output according to that input. That is nothing but a system. And what is continuous time system? Let's see the definition for continuous time system. If the input and output signals, let x of t and y of t are continuous time signals, then the system is called continuous time system. Here consider x of t is input and y of t is output. If the input x of t and output y of t are continuous time signals, if input x of t and output y of t are continuous time signals, then the system is called continuous time system. Okay, here observe, this is a system, continuous time system. We are giving the x of t as the input and y of t as the output. Here observe, this is x of t, this is continuous signal. Continuous signal is applied to the system, and also y of t is also continuous time signal. Okay, continuous signal is obtained as a output. Whenever we are observing these two things, input and output are continuous, then that system is also known as continuous time system. Okay, here see one more point. The system which works on the continuous time signals are known as continuous time signal. Okay, the system which works on the continuous time signals are known as continuous time system. Okay, now let's see discrete time system. And here let's see discrete time systems. In continuous time systems, the input and output both are continuous time signals, then we call that systems are a continuous time systems. The same thing in the discrete time systems also. If the input and output signals are discrete time signals or sequences are nothing but discrete time signals, then the system is called discrete time system. Okay, if the input and output signals are discrete time signals or sequences, then the system is called discrete time system. Let's consider this is discrete time system, and it is the input and it is the output. Here consider input as x of t and output as y of t. Observe this is the discrete time signals because the signal is exist only at a particular instance of time. And here also observe, it is also discrete time signal. Here also the signal exists only on the particular instance of time. This system works on the discrete time signals because it takes the input as a discrete time signals and you produce the output also as a discrete time signals. Whenever the system takes discrete time signals and produce the output also discrete time signals, then that system is called as discrete time systems. Okay, the system which works on the discrete time signals are known as discrete time system. Okay, the system which works on the discrete time signals, this is the system which works on the discrete time signals. The input is discrete time and output is a discrete time signal. That's why we call this is a discrete time system. Okay, I hope you have understand about continuous and discrete time systems. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment box. I will definitely clarify your doubts, and subscribe my channel. If you like this video, like and hit on bell button. Okay, thank you for watching this video.